Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I personalize hand soap bottles using this product called Goo Gone. I highly recommend this product. It's a staple that I think every household needs. You can use it on several types of surfaces. I've even heard you can clean your oven with it. I don't really know about that. I would have to do some research on that. But basically this is to remove any stickiness or residue that is left on your hand soap bottles. So I have a friend and her daughter is having a baby shower for her daughter, and it's a girl. So she wanted to put hand soap bottles in her bathroom that said it's a girl. So I am making that for her. And in order to do that, we are going to have to remove the label. So I don't know if you can see this. I just picked this up at the grocery store. It's white coconut hand soap, and I picked it up at the grocery store. So we need to get this label off of here so that we can put our vinyl decal on. And to peel things off, you can use whatever tool you like. I use my weeding tool a lot to pull off something like a sticker like this. Because it kind of grasps onto it. And so you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just peeling all this off. Okay. So we have the label completely off, and when I touch this, it's very, very, very sticky, nasty. You can't really put a vinyl decal on it like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take Goo Gone, and we're going to just spray a little bit on here. And I kind of take my fingers and just kind of move it around a little bit. And it might need just a little bit more. I don't think I sprayed quite enough. This is a great gift idea for almost any occasion. You can do this for Christmas, holidays, anything you want to do during, you can remove labels from store-bought hand soap bottles, and you can do this process. Okay, so it's kind of soaked in there enough, and I am now just going to take the paper towel and wipe it off. Okay, and it still has quite a bit of stickiness on there, so we're going to just one more time, I'm going to spray this again. Okay, now the second time, now that the sticker's completely off, all of it is coming off. And then I'm just gonna wipe it down really good with the paper towel that I have. And there you go. Now we have a blank slate right now that we can apply a vinyl decal. Before I apply the vinyl decal, I'm going to actually wash this with dish soap to get the greasiness from the Goo Gone off of this. And I'll be back and show you the final result after I put the vinyl decal on. Okay, so I washed it with dish liquid and cut out my vinyl decal on my Cricut Explorer Air 2 and applied it to the surface, and this is how it turned out. I think that this is going to be so adorable for their bathroom, for their baby shower. You can get as creative as you want with this, and she just wanted something that said it's a girl, so I kept it simple on this one. But this is how you can take store-bought hand soap bottles and turn them into something that you personalize for yourself. So it's just a great gift idea for almost any occasion. and, you know, Christmas, the holidays, you know, just about anything. The vinyl that I used was Oracle 651, and also don't forget the best product that every household should have is Goo Gone. And that's how you can create things like this. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified of any future videos that I post. And also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I will link in the description below where you can get the Goo Gone and also the Oracle 651. Thanks for watching, and everyone have a great day.